Hi and welcome back to my morning report chart appraisals on Monday the 15th of December with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Let's have a move on to Eurodollar now, and to be honest I'm now sort of changing my outlook on Eurodollar. I had been just a consistent seller into strength through this big downtrend that we'd had over the past few months. In fact, that downtrend extends a lot further back than that, but back to August actually. But for the intents and purposes of this chart, this is just back to October, but still that downtrend has been broken, and you're now getting a situation where this 21-day moving average is also turning up, or certainly beginning to bottom anyway. So that would suggest we're getting increasingly neutral on the outlook. Not bullish, I would add, because the big thing with this chart is the fact that we haven't yet broken a key reaction high. That first key reaction high we've got on this chart is 25.30, which is still intact, and we haven't broken that, so you can't say that that there's a recovery underway. I think it's just still in consolidation mode, and that consolidation mode has subsequently broken this this downtrend. So on the hourly chart, you can see that this is the rebound that we've had over the past few days. That's the downtrend. So we have certainly broken that on an hourly and daily basis. But this is that key reaction high at 25.30, and that is because that is the reaction high that follows on from a key reaction low, which was subsequently broken, and we haven't yet. Broken that 25.30 level, so the outlook has to remain neutral. In terms of near-term outlook, well, the euro is actually under a little bit of pressure as the morning has just progressing in the last few minutes. Anyway, the it's down 35 or so pips on the day. And just zooming in, you could even argue you've just formed a small, this is very near-term basis anyway, small top pattern. You could argue that it was completed below 24.43. You could measure that from 24.85, so that's like 40 pips, so back down to 24 figure. We're actually only 20 pips away from that now, so it's very near-term stuff that I'm talking about here. But certainly you could argue that also coming back towards the key near-term support now is that 23.57 low, 23.57, which provided a floor, a very good floor for a while, but that has now become back up. Now we're back above it. That is again a floor once more, and it seems to have been acting on a couple of occasions towards the end of the week, last week, as the low. So 23.57 is that key basis of support near term that you need to look out for, and if you broke that, you'd also complete a larger double top pattern, which would suggest again you're trading back towards the lows again. So it is rather an important level. Near-term momentum, you'd argue, not massively, sort of neutral-ish now. Sort of you've lost a little bit of the upside momentum with the RSI sort of peaking out below 70, so that would suggest that sort of a bit more neutral than it certainly has been throughout this rebound period. So I'd say that we're turning back into a neutral from having had this rebound, this recovery. We're sort of turning back into a more neutral near-term outlook, and also with a neutral medium-term outlook on this chart. It sort of means that we are waiting now, I think, for the next real signal on Eurodollar to try and gain a bit of direction. I think that 23.57 could come under a bit of test if the truth be told, on my opinion, but I think near-term we're sort of fairly neutral. Okay. That's my outlook on Eurodollar today, and I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.